The historic KeyArena, originally built for the 1962 Seattle World's Fair, has undergone a major transformation, becoming home to the NHL's Seattle Kraken. The $930 million renovation and expansion is now Climate Pledge Arena, an 800,000 square foot, mostly below-grade venue that will hold more than 17,000 fans for hockey and other sports and entertainment events. What makes this project stand out is the preservation of the historically landmarked 44 million pound roof and exterior curtain wall. The near-total demolition of the below-roof structure presented complex challenges. Most notable among these was how to demolish the structure and excavate 680,000 cubic yards of soil to make way for construction of a new world-class arena, all while temporarily supporting the roof structure above it. Complicating matters further were the arena's location in a high seismic zone, the project's aggressive schedule, and the owner's commitment to making it the first net zero certified arena in the world. The American Society of Civil Engineers is proud to recognize the Climate Pledge Arena as a 2023 OCEA Honor Award.